Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World. What's up mga ka-Joy? Ayan mga ka-Joy! Yung ating Shopee dance, of course. Kasi kapag kayo pumunta sa ating bahay, syempre may sayaw! Ayan. So guys, for this vlog for this day, ang gagawin natin ay alamin natin how to verify our AdSense PIN using a manual verification. Yes! Ayan. Kasi dito sa Philippines, mga Pinoy na nagpo-vlog, mga OFW na naka-address ang kanilang AdSense PIN sa Pilipinas within 3 months, di pa din dumadating ang PIN. 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and even a year! Okay. Yeah. Kasi sa ibang bansa, guys, within 2 weeks, kapag nag-send na ng email si AdSense na pinadala na ang kanilang PIN, dumadating. Bakit sa atin hindi? But anyways, there is a way for us to become verified. Our AdSense will be verified with some steps and processes na ipa-follow natin. And I am going to show you here, so stay tuned here sa Joy of the World!
So first and foremost, open your browser and type in AdSense.com. You will be redirected to your homepage, and then you're going to see your earnings. And there you go guys. You can see that red marking over there, and it says you have less than 1 month to verify your PIN. Otherwise, your ad units will stop displaying ads. So you have to verify your PIN. And since you don't have yet your PIN, just go browse down. Verify your billing address. So press that verify. And then after pressing that verify, at least guys, you have to do it 3 times. So just resend PIN. Click that one. If you can do it 3 times every 21 days, you can now click the help button. After clicking the help button, so now you are redirected to the help page. And then after that, you just need to scroll down. Yes, scroll down and click that PIN troubleshooter. After clicking that PIN troubleshooter, you will see some questions. First question is, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold, which is $10? So you just need to tick yes or no. So I tick yes. And then another question appears, have you received your PIN? Of course, ginagawa natin to kasi we haven't yet received our PIN, so we tick no. And then another question is, have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? Yan yung 3 times ka magre-request every 21 days. So you are going to put here yes, kasi 3 times yun ang nagawa. And then after that, click the contact us, and then afterwards you will be redirected and you will be asked to put all your details, your name, your email address, and also your publisher ID. So you can refer back to your AdSense homepage for your publisher ID after putting some of your details. So there you go, and you can see it at the portion of your accounts. Then you can see your publisher ID. Just copy and paste it. After which, go back to the contact us page and just paste it there. After which, choose the photo of your ID with your same name and hopefully same address. So search in your ID. So after choosing your file, and it's going to upload, and after which just press the submit button, and after which you have to check your email if you have everything set right, and then there you go. That is the message that you will receive after submitting your form. So after 24 hours now. And so just have to wait and check your email. Now let's go back to our browser and check on our email, gmail.com. So a few minutes after doing or submitting our form, we have received a message. So we're going to click on it. So it's the first AdSense support message that we had. So it says that they've received the form and they're going to act on it in 24 hours. And after that, actually at the same time that it was received, the PIN was approved. Yes! So you're now verified. So the notification that your PIN has to be verified will be out within 24 hours. So yeah, actually 24 to 48 hours. But then, congratulations, you're already approved. So let's go back to our browser and go to AdSense.com. So we are going to see if we still have that notification that we have to verify our PIN. So let's scroll down. And it's gone. So we are verified. So congratulations! And then after that, guys, we have to remember that we need to assign our payment method. So after which, we have to go to payments. So at payments, you have to put there if ever it's a bank account or what kind of payment or how you get paid. So there you go. Just add payment method if you need one. So that's it.
So ayun na nga mga ka-Joy, thank you for listening to our vlog for today, and hopefully you got something out from our worries. So pwede pala nating gawa ng paraan so that we can alleviate our worries, anxiousness, kasi ang PIN ang tagal, especially dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So hopefully you will all kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, click that red button na subscribe para maging close tayo. And then, i-bell na rin all para lahat ng ating vlog ay manonotify ka. And then yan mga ka-Joy, thank you very much for coming. Hopefully to see you again next time to our next vlog. Bye!